Entering a new car into the Carousel system requires you to do 3 steps. First, enter your car description. Secondly, enter your car costs. And third, what this video is about, is entering information about where the vehicle came from. It could have come from an individual. You could have bought it off the street. It could be part of a trade-in, in which case all this is filled in. Or you could have bought it from another company or at an auction. So let's assume you bought it at an auction. So in this case, we don't need the person's last name. We don't need their first name. We need to know the company name. And since it is a company, we need to check this box. If it was an individual, you would not check the box. We need to put in the address. If there is a post office box or a mailing address, you can put that in next. The city, the state, and the zip code. The county is always helpful also. Since we're buying from a company, we can put in the work telephone. And you might want to put in a fax number. For people, you'd put in the home telephone number and optionally a cell phone number. And you might want to capture their email address. When you're done with this, you simply hit the update button. At this point, you have enough information. You can actually save the data away to the database. In this version of the program, we haven't been able to do that until the description, the cost, and the purchase from information has all been entered. In the next version of the program, that's going to be changed so you can save it at any time. After you save the data, the program returns back to the car description screen. If you made a mistake, you can always go in and re-enter the data. So let's just say there was a P.O. box. You can change that and just simply update. However, if the whole thing is wrong, you can then hit the replace button and it'll ask you, do you want to remove this entry? And now you can go back to the purchase from as if it was a brand new person and enter a new name. Or you can even select an existing name, like the dealer's auto auction. What's been described so far in these last 3 videos have been requirements. The next 2 videos will be optional things. You may want to print a form, you may want to enter a vendor, but most of the time you wouldn't do that.